guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I am Ayush and in this video I am going to tell you how to make zine in 3 easy steps with a single sheet of paper. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for making a zine, you need an A4 size paper, a cutter, some crayons, a black pen, a pencil and some sketch pens. So first we have to take our A4 size paper and we have to fold it from both the sides. Exactly like this, and at the same way we have to fold it from the front. Remember that you should fold it into 2 half and equal pieces. And we are done. So we will get 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now from side you have to fold it again into 1/4 part like this and do the same on the other side. And we are done and we have got 8 boxes. Now take a cutter and a scale and cut it between the 2 boxes. Remember, we have to leave 1 box from both the sides. After cutting, you have to again fold it like we have done before from all the sides. And now you have a cut right in between the middle. Now you have to fold the paper from front like this and then squeeze it and make it like a book or our unready zine. Now mark the page numbers, that this is the front, first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page and our back. Now open your paper. Now as you see, you have written all the numbers so that you will remember which drawing we have to draw on which of the box. Now draw anything, literally anything, whatever you want, because this is your zine. I am making this zine about things I know about galaxies. You can add your own theme, like whichever you want, because as I said before, it's your zine. So I have drawn whatever I have to draw in my zine like this. Now it's time for some finishing touches. As I told you, you can make your zine by your own. That's why try to make it your own or not to copy mine. is completed. As you can see, this is my Zine about space. These are some fun facts, some facts about solar system, starfall, Earth, rockets, moons and Jupiter. You can create your own by just imagination. Hope you enjoyed this video to make a Zine within 3 easy steps. If you like my video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you soon next time. Till then, bye.